What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the crew. Today we're diving deep into the eerie, chaotic and kind of adorable world of Five Nights at Freddys, and we're bringing some colour to two of the most iconic animatronics, Sun and Moon. So let's jump into it. Want to see a magic trick? Ta-da! Here we have normal moon, normal sun, ruined moon and ruined sun. Let's start with the normal moon. Stretch, stretch, roll. Pew. If you've ever played Security Breach or watched way too many late night lore movies like I have, then you already know Sun and Moon aren't just creepy mascots, they're daycare attendant bots. Originally designed to entertain kiddos and clean up glitter spills, but there's a dark twist. When the lights go out, say goodbye to the cheerful sun and say hello to the sinister moon. He's like your preschool teacher if they transformed into a haunted marionette the second the lights flickered. And there we have the normal moon. It's time to move on to normal sun. Sun is like if a circus, a disco ball and a caffeine overdose had a baby. He's the cheerful half of the daycare attendant, super energetic, bouncing around like a maniac but in a fun way until the lights go out. I'm going with alcohol markers here for this version to make those yellows and oranges pop. I'm layering warm tones to give that glowing almost sunbeam like energy and those spirally sun rays. Total chaos but in a lovable kind of way. And if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. And there we have the normal sun. It's time for the ruined moon. If normal moon was creepy, this is nightmare level 10, with his cracked smile, broken teeth and the shadows seem to cling to him. I'm pushing the darkness here, lots of shading, grimy blacks, uneven textures. I want this version to feel like he's crawling right out of the shadows behind you. Just a little haunted, a little coarse, you know, the standard FNAF vibes. And there we have ruined moon. It's time to move on to ruined sun. Here's ruined sun. Well, what's left of him after the Pizzaplex fell apart in the ruined DLC. He used to be pure joy, but now he's silent, broken, empty-eyed, like all the happiness got drained out. I went with lots of colouring pencils here, give it that grimy and gritty texture. Look at those cracked rays, he's falling apart. It's kind of sad actually, like a birthday clown who saw the apocalypse. Let me know in the comments which form gives you the most chills, Sun's broken grin or Moon's shadowy ruined face. And hey, if you enjoy the creepy robots and cool art, hit that like button and subscribe, or Moon might come to visit you in your dreams tonight. Just saying. And there we have the ruined sun. So we have normal moon, normal sun, ruined moon and ruined sun. Let me know in the comments which one is your favourite, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.